Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can solve network problem or internet problem on your OnePlus phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, let's start the video. So the first thing you have to move is this setting. Just click on setting. When you move on the setting, you can search here the network. Okay, after that just move on this network setting. Okay, here, so you can scroll down also the second option and just move on this additional setting. When you move on the additional setting, again you have to scroll on the down, and here on the last option you can see backup and reset option. So friends, here you have to move on this backup and reset. When you click on this backup and reset, here again you have to click on this option reset phone. Okay, click on the reset phone. After that, here you can see the first option is the reset network setting. So friends, here you have to click on the reset network setting. After that, you have to verify and click on reset. Then your network will be fixed, your internet problem will be fixed, so you can fix it like this easily. Okay friends, so this was the solution to solve your network problem. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.